Determine whether the pair of linear equations represents parallel lines. So we have y equals 4/3 x minus 2, and the second equation is y equal 4/3 x plus 1. Since each of these equations is in slope-intercept form being y equal mx plus b, and m being the slope, the first equation then has a slope of 4/3. The second equation has a slope of 4/3. Since they each have the same slope, we can conclude that they are in fact parallel lines when graphed. In this next example, they're asking whether these two linear equations graph into parallel lines. We need to compare the slopes of each. And the first equation is in slope-intercept form of y equal mx plus b, m being the coefficient of the x term, leads us to the conclusion that the slope of this line is 4/3. The second equation, however, is not in slope-intercept form, so that will be the first thing that we need to do for us to determine the slope of it, is to rewrite it. To do that, we want to get y by itself. To do that, we'll subtract 4x from each side. Next, we want a coefficient of 1 on y, so each value will be divided by 2, resulting in an equivalent equation to the given equation, but now in slope-intercept form. So 4x plus 2y equal 1 can be replaced with the equivalent slope-intercept form. Since it's in slope-intercept form, the coefficient of the x term is the slope, so we have a slope of -2, which is not the same as the 4/3 slope from the first equation, leading us to the conclusion that these lines will not graph into parallel lines since their slopes are not equal.